Have you ever thought that dogs are some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet? If you did, well, their history with humans goes back thousands of years, and throughout that time, they've earned a special place in our hearts not just as pets, but as loyal companions and even heroes. Let's dive into some fun facts about our furry friends that will make you look at them in a whole new light. 1. Dogs have favorite people. We often talk about how dogs love everyone, but did you know they can form strong bonds with specific people? Research shows that dogs tend to have a favorite person, someone they are more attached to and will follow around more often. This is usually the person who feeds them, takes them on walks, or spends the most time with them. But even if you're the favorite, don't worry, dogs are generally pack animals and love being around everyone in their family. 2. Dogs can be left or right-pawed. Just like humans are right or left-handed, dogs can have a dominant paw. Studies have shown that about 50% of dogs are right-pawed, 50% are left-pawed, and some might even be ambidextrous. If you watch your dog closely, you might notice which paw they prefer when playing or when reaching for a treat. This little quirk is one of the many ways dogs are just like us. 3. Dogs can hear higher frequencies than humans. Dogs have an incredible sense of hearing. They can hear sounds at frequencies as high as 65,000 Hz, while humans can only hear up to around 20,000 Hz. This means that dogs can hear things we can't even imagine, like the high-pitched squeak of a dog toy or the sound of a dog whistle. It's no wonder dogs seem to react to things we can't hear at all. 4. A dog's nose is like a fingerprint. If you've ever looked closely at your dog's nose, you might notice that it's covered in unique ridges and patterns, almost like a human fingerprint. No two dog noses are alike. This is why some companies have actually used a dog's nose print as a form of identification, similar to how we use fingerprints to identify people. 5. Dogs are old-school babysitters. Dogs have been companions to humans for thousands of years, and in many cultures, they've also served as protectors and guardians of children. Some breeds, like the Saint Bernard, were historically used to rescue lost travelers in the Alps, but more often than not, dogs serve as a kind of guardian to children both in the wild and in the home. Their instincts to protect and watch over young ones make them perfect babysitters, especially when it comes to toddlers. And speaking of instincts, did you know that dogs are also capable of understanding human body language and emotions? They have a remarkable ability to read our facial expressions and even mimic our moods. If you're feeling sad or anxious, your dog can sense that, and they'll often act in ways that comfort you. It's like they're tuned into your emotional wavelength, offering their companionship and a wagging tail as support. So, the next time you're hanging out with your dog, remember, they're not just cute and cuddly. They're incredibly complex, with a sense of hearing, smell, and emotion that far exceeds our own. Whether they're your favorite companion or simply the one who can hear the faintest whistle from a mile away, dogs truly are amazing beings. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.